everyone, welcome again to Boring Tech. Yes, we have a new name for the channel now. Also, quick introduction for the judges. I have registered for the Mesh API Hackathon, and this is my submission app. And I have a Git with all the commits spread out. My name is Aris Sidhu. I am in class 6, 11 years old, and I am a student of Yadvindra Public School, Patiala. Okay, now that we are over with all that boring stuff about where I come from or whatever, let's come with the real game changer. Let me introduce to you an app, a marvelous app that changes the way we use Macs. And soon it will come to every other device. We're still working on that one since this is work in progress. But so far we've made a stable version for Mac. So I introduce you to my app, Complete Fairaway, completely powered by app. I think I said this complete 2 times. And it has all 4 AIs and the highest models. Opus in Claude, GPT-5, Gemini 3 Pro, Llama. Though you have to grant some permissions. Now most people don't install this app thinking, I have a privacy concern. Oh no, what if it hacks my computer? What if it disarranges all my folder? Well, let me tell you, friend, no need to worry, since this is very stable and there's no chance of this failing or causing any damage, unlike the other ones that are out there. And this one is a complete game changer. Yes, we also have things like open work and all, but the problem is they look in the code. They don't look at the actual screen. They look in the code itself. So if it's filling a form and there are 2 blanks both with the same asset ID, guess what will happen? It will get confused. But our app uses vision, and unlike the other ones that use vision and that are slow, with the capability of Mesh API and the connection of Mesh API and how the API keys are arranged, we have managed to make it this fastest we have managed to make it vision and the fastest. Let me show you an example. I'll just use Claude, since Claude's my personal favorite actually. Open a random app. Now you just see reading the screen, not reading the code, reading the screen. And you can see it just opened notes. I told it to open a random app and it did. Unlike most AIs, now you must be thinking this prompt is very easy. Well, here's the problem. Most AIs listen to your task, but if you give an unspecified task, they will always ask you for a route. But we have connected Complete Fairaway in such a way that it does exactly what you say. And I mean exactly. Unless it's illegal, of course, or something you shouldn't be doing, like cheating on some test. That is, of course. So now that you've seen the capability, let me just show the Git where you can install the app and all. We are soon to make a website for this. Right now we've made a Git commit so that you, dear judge, can look and can view. Let me just go to it. Let's see. So you just go to this link. It's right over here in the video. And here, not only will you see 21 commits, 1 commit I did right now, adding the app itself, and you can see their history also. You will also see the whole file. So if you don't want to install the app, then you can just take all the code and put it in Xcode. And then of course, we also have the zip. Anyways, that's the end. So, and this was built entirely with Swift. We are planning to make this go on other devices also. Right now it's only Mac. Anyways, hope this app gives you a great experience. We are open to suggestions in the comments. Anyways, toodles.